Okay, I'm going to show you my first attempt at voltage injection to find a problem. I have a 2018 15-inch MacBook Pro model A1990. I used a board view to find where the PP bus G3 hot can be found. It's on the right side of this capacitor I've marked with a pencil. And I found that to be shorted, so like 0.2 ohms or something like that to ground. So next step is, well, what's shorting it? So I just bought a $40 power supply from Amazon, and I'll show you how I've got it set up. I've got it set up 1 volt, and I needed, maybe make it 5 amp. 1 volt. Okay, and I'm getting 3 watts into the board, and I went around and just felt for what seemed sort of hot. So I found this area right here. It seemed like it was getting sort of warm. Now I'm going to take the voltage off. Dip some alcohol. Let's see, what is it that's getting hot? So I'll put some alcohol all around this area. And here comes the voltage in. Okay, I hope you can see. Looks like that cap is just drying right up. So I think that is our problem. Okay, just a little update. I first of all got the wrong capacitor. I thought it was the lower one here. And the short remained, so I did some more testing and found out it was in fact the upper one, which was what I first thought. And after removing this capacitor, then the short's gone. So I think we're good. I want to just show you sort of how small this thing is. Here's my finger, and this is just how small this is. And this is what Apple said needed a complete board replacement. So I plan to replace at least one of these 2 capacitors. So then I put the one good capacitor back, reassembled the machine, and it booted right into the user's login. I asked the user if they were interested in retrieving data, but we couldn't get that worked out. So I just went to do the erase this Mac, and which puts you in internet recovery, which took quite a while, and it failed 3 times. I don't know why, but it always failed. So I was a little bit stuck. So I went to Apple Store, and Apple, obviously, they have a different way to do this installation. And using their network and their tools, and that installation went fine. And since then, the machine's been working great. The lesson is, one tiny little capacitor, which can go bad, in this case shorted, can cause the machine to not function. But if you can find that and remove it or replace it, you're good.